Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw numbers. So kids, colors name: red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids, now draw numbers. Kids, first you draw 1, and here is red color. O and E1, 2, T, W2, 3, T, H, R, W, 3, 4, F, O, U, R, 4, 5, F, I, V, E, 5. Kids, now 6. The numbers of 6, and here is blue color. S, I, X, 6, 7, S, E, V, E, and 7. Kids, again use blue color and draw 8. E, I, G, H, T, 8, 9, N, I, N, E, 9, 10, T, E, and 10. Kids, now draw 11. The numbers of 11, and here is yellow color. Twelve. The numbers of 12. It's again use yellow color and draw 13. The numbers of 13. 14. 15. Kids, now 16, and here is black color. Black color. 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.